अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I have been rewarded as a silver shield holder of YouTube, and it's all because of you guys, love of you, and also a lot of hard work behind it. Uh, I hope that we all go together still for further in life and we'll have more success and achievements. So I was just opening at our silver team, silver YouTube button. This is here we go. Zar&truth. Here we go. Once again, thank you very much, all of you, and a lot of love and respect, all of you who are with me in this journey. And I'm trying my best to achieve more. Let's target our next goal. Let's gold, and then we will see further. Thank you once again, and have a good day.